My name's Shauna.
The poles, but that's alright, we've got a way of working out how we're going to get back. It's okay.
Oh, sweet. I'm a bit worried otherwise.
Not a problem.
You want to just come over here. And
It's taken the 3 guys to put this up.
okay, we've got it under control now.
And Debbie supervising.
Okay, well,
It's
now the other thing is, we're going to take us back down again, aren't we? Or?
Yeah.
Pretty cold.
Hello, Liz. Been Chris just in the toilet.
Okay, well, get a couple of hill shots, eh? Okay, this is Geraldine Motor Camp.
Go and put some long pants on and get your sneakers on.
Yeah, go get your gym shoes on.
You've got gum boots and you've got your sneakers.
Here they go. Oh, there's Shauna. Hey, Shauna. Look up. Put your hand up. Yeah, that's you.
Oh, there's a donkey right next to us. It's going to bite you in the butt.
Look at that sky. It's going to rain tonight too, by the way.
Yep, nice tomorrow though.
Yep. Okay, I think it's just getting dark enough to...
Let's Dougal!
Oh, Sonia's got a flashlight.
I couldn't see what colour hair he was.
Is that your torch, Shauna?
No, that's Dougal and his torch.
Can we throw some wood on the fire?
No.
Throw some wood on the fire?
No. No children allowed to do that. It's dangerous.
Can we tell stories?
Sure.
I'm gonna go grab my
Do you want
toy.
to go grab the marshmallow Taylor?
Hey, I'll go grab. Hi.
Big torch.
Hi. Marshmallow hats.
Taylor?
See, I'm gonna get the marshmallows.
Taylor, you need to put a jersey on. You need to...
Dougal.
Can you get Emma's jersey, please?
Shauna?
Probably in his cabin.
Can I launch your pine cone on there?
No.
Hey, Shauna?
I just realised they wanted you to do the 10 sorry.
No, stop!
Did you do it in the day?
There was an old woman.
No, we'll put away.
Walking around the forest.
You need to fix your dog. Go sit down. They're too cold.
No, the flag's coming straight at me. It's so small, it doesn't fit my head in it.
Oh.
That's so small. That smoke's coming straight at me.
You do it.
If I put the Caleb, don't stand over the smoke away.
Video footage of you doing
No, if you have a torch in there, I won't see you properly.
Yeah, that's not cool. Whoa.
Torch up.
Can I please take this one?
This is
No.
cold.
Please.
Oh, it is.
Fire
Caleb,
going and...
can I use
then
the
we'll-
Reggie?
And
Reggie.
It's not raining.
I need a
It's
toilet.
kind of
She
wet
got
wood.
his scoring list.
Shauna.
Right, torch up.
Can I please?
Torch off. Torch off.
Can I please have the toilet?
What are you doing there?
I need. Can I please have the toilet?
Hi, Emma.
Hello.
You're staying there. This is dark. It's taking a long time to...
Emma, what's that?
Do I want to have a
Just
photo?
play.
Where's Emma? Where's Emma Charlie?
Yeah.
Running around somewhere.
Oh, there she
Thank
is.
you, Emma.
So them inside. Always had long
Emma
podcast.
Charlie!
She's right there.
Where?
Right in the
Torch
hole.
there, Emma.
Where's it time to eat marshmallows?
Oh, soon. Oh, is it? When is it?
Get some
I'm
nice
going
embers going.
exploring. Bye! Bye! Come here with
It's been too long, Taylor. Spit out marshmallows.